In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple workspaces in Trello. Workspaces are how Trello groups boards, members, and settings by team or project. Creating more than one lets you keep client work, personal planning, and internal operations neatly separated, with clearer permissions and billing boundaries. To begin, open Trello in your browser and sign in. Head to your boards view. You can get there from the main navigation or by going to your profile home and selecting boards. From this page, look up to the top right corner and click your profile icon. This opens a quick menu with account options. In that menu, choose Create Workspace. You'll be taken to a simple setup screen. Start by entering a workspace name. Pick something descriptive and consistent, like the department or client name, so you can instantly recognize it later. If you plan to create several, consider a naming pattern that includes the team or region, which will make searching and onboarding easier. Next, choose a workspace type. This label helps Trello tailor examples and suggestions. Select the category that best matches how you'll use this workspace, such as marketing, engineering, education, or personal. Don't worry if none are a perfect fit. You can still use all the core features regardless of the category you choose, and you can adjust this later if your needs change. You'll also see a field for a description. This is optional, but it's a great place to set context for teammates. Add a brief sentence about what belongs here, any naming conventions for boards, or links to shared docs. Keeping this concise but clear will cut down on confusion as your organization grows. When everything looks good, click Continue to create the workspace. Trello will finalize it and take you to the new workspace area, where you can start building boards and organizing your workflow. If you don't see the Create Workspace option, make sure you're signed into the correct account and note that some organizations limit who can create new workspaces. Check with your admin if needed. To make multiple workspaces, just repeat the same sequence. Open the Boards view, use the Profile icon menu, choose Create Workspace, name it, pick a type, optionally add a description, and click Continue. With a clear structure and consistent naming, your Trello setup will stay tidy and scalable as your projects grow. That's all you need to keep each team's boards, automations, and settings focused and easy to manage.